Is it time to buy or sell Zeta Global Holdings stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Zeta Global Holdings. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 5th of August, 2025. And now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since July 16, 2025, our system has ranked Zeta Global Holdings as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.31. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 6.01%. This equates to an average return of 0.4% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock exists within a significant and broad upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further increases within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 18.38% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 2.59% to 35.57%. In terms of a longer perspective, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 41.63%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 78.08% to negative 11.02% over the coming year. This would translate to a future price estimated to be between $3.48 and $14.12. Our latest daily update for Zeta Global Holdings includes the headline, Zeta Global Holdings Corporation stock price, up 0.443% on Tuesday. The Zeta Global Holdings Corporation stock price gained 0.443% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 5th of August 2025. The price rose from $15.80 to $15.87. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.59%, with a day low at $15.58 and a day high of $16.14. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 1.6% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has also increased on the last day alongside the price, which signals a positive technical trend. In total, 8 million more shares were traded than the previous day, with a total of 13 million shares bought and sold for approximately $205,005,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $38.20, while the lowest price was $10.69. Currently, the price is 58.46%, or $22.33, below the 52-week high of $38.20, which is also the all-time high for this stock. Zeta Global recently reported its 16th consecutive beat and raise quarter, showcasing its ability to consistently exceed earnings expectations. This track record indicates strong operational efficiency and market demand, which could drive investor confidence and stock price appreciation in the short term. The company's second quarter earnings report, released today, is likely to reinforce this positive sentiment among investors. Notably, Zeta appointed Nate Yohannes as president of its Data and AI Lab, aiming to accelerate innovation in artificial intelligence. This strategic move positions Zeta as a leader in AI-driven marketing solutions, which could enhance its competitive advantage and possibly attract increased institutional investment. The company's robust financial performance is reflected in its 36% year-over-year revenue growth in the first quarter, alongside a substantial increase in free cash flow by 87%. With these fundamentals, Zeta's long-term growth prospects appear strong, particularly as it aims for $2 billion in revenue by the fiscal year 2028, fueled by sustained annual growth exceeding 40% from its AI initiatives. With its proprietary identity graph processing over 1 trillion signals monthly, Zeta's data capabilities are becoming a significant moat, further solidifying its market position. As investors look for growth opportunities in the tech sector, Zeta's focus on AI and strong earnings trends make it a compelling prospect, likely reflecting positively on its stock price both in the immediate and future market. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 28th of April, 2025, it was reported that RBC Capital assigned ZETA an outperform rating along with a hold action. On Thursday, the 14th of November, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned ZETA a buy rating along with a hold action. On the same day, Thursday, the 14th of November, 2024, it was reported that Canaccord Genuity assigned ZETA a buy rating along with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 12th of November, 2024, it was reported that KeyBank assigned ZETA an overweight rating along with a hold action. On the same day, Tuesday, the 12th of November, 2024, it was reported that Craig-Hallum assigned ZETA a buy rating along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Zeta Global Holdings stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Zeta Global Holdings. Zeta Global Holdings Corporation stock is currently presenting buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of price corrections, support can be expected at the levels of $15.64 and $15.13. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. The trading volume is increasing alongside the price, which is generally viewed as a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also been generated, which may affect the stock's near-term performance. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Monday, June 23, 2025, and since then, the stock has decreased by 5.59%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 31 days ago. Bollinger Bands provided a buy signal 10 days ago. The short-term moving average generated a buy signal 3 days ago. In contrast, the long-term moving average presented a sell signal 17 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 31 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average has a sell signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average reflects a buy signal from 16 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 19 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Zeta Global Holdings. Zeta Global Holdings Corporation finds support from accumulated volume at $15.49. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock experiences average movements throughout the day, and with a healthy trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 560 cents between its highest and lowest points, which is 3.59%. In the past week, the stock has exhibited a daily average volatility of 4.68%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Zeta Global Holdings, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even established companies can experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 5th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 14 cents. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Zeta Global Holdings. In the event of an upward trend, the initial resistance level for Zeta Global Holdings is at $15.90. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a strategic point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Zeta Global Holdings faces its first support level at $15.49. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Zeta Global Holdings from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 1st of July, 2025, Robert Niehaus conducted an insider purchase of 9,907 shares of Class A common stock. On the 1st of July, 2025, Janine Silberblatt conducted an insider purchase of 9,907 shares of Class A common stock. On the 1st of July, 2025, William Landman conducted an insider purchase of 1,614 shares of Class A common stock. On the 1st of July, 2025, William Landman conducted another insider purchase of 9,907 shares of Class A common stock. On the 1st of July, 2025, Imran Khan conducted an insider purchase of 9,907 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 24.308. In total, insiders acquired 10,726,183 shares and sold $16,950,730 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $15.09, which reflects a decrease of 4.94%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top that was identified 30 days ago. Is Zeta Global Holdings stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, combined with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current price level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for Zeta Global Holdings Corporation stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 6th of August, we anticipate that Zeta Global Holdings will open lower by $0.0067 and begin trading at $15.86. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day with best wishes from all of us here at Stock Invest.